Hello everyone. So today I'm back with a new topic called map. Let's see how to use this map in Salesforce. So today's agenda is we're gonna see what is a map, where to use map, what is the syntax of it, and let's go with an example using map, and we'll also see like how to use this particular map on the Visual Force page. And I got a couple of requests from friends saying that they are looking for a map with list. So let's see that example as well. So today we're going to discuss about all these topics. So before we start our things, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So like whenever I keep uploading some new videos, you get notifications. Let's jump into our topic. So first, what is a map and where to use map? A map is a collection of values with a key. The map is a collection of values with a key, which means like assume that like I have 10 rows of data. Out of 10 rows, if I want to pull the value directly from row 3 or row 4, or by assigning some key to it, I can do that using map. Okay, explaining that might be little confusion, but let's see the program. So it's going to be very easy for you. So for that, I'm jumping into my Salesforce environment. Let me create a page and a controller quickly. Hope you know how to create a page, but I'm going to use the shortcut way of creating the pages here. So I say epic / map template. Okay, some name. Okay, I'm using whatever name I want on my Visual Force page. I can use it. So this is a shortcut way of creating the pages. So I created one page. As you know, I enable developer console always. For the new people, if you want to know how to enable the developer console, in the below description I have given another video of how to enable the developer console. You can use it. Okay, let me create a controller quickly. This is my page, so I'm going to create a controller with the same name. I think most of the not most, like some guys, like they forget to follow the naming conversions. So it's always better to follow the naming conversion while creating the page and the controller. So by looking into the controller, it's going to be very easy to identify to which particular page it is associated. So here is my class and a page. So I'm gonna put a constructor. So whenever my page gets loaded, my map values will apply automatically. Oh, look like my font is very small. Let me increase max how much I can. Okay, this is what. Hope this is clear for most of you. Let me save my class. All right, now we are coming into the actual map. So map means it's a list of values with a key where you can store group of values, you can insert, you can get the value right from there. So for that, first I'll initialize a map, and the syntax of initializing is public map. The first thing is the key. What data type key you want to use, that's something you can use. In my example, I want to use a string data type. And the value, the next parameter is the value. First parameter is the key and the second parameter is the value. So the value is also, I'm going to use string. And the name, I follow the best practice, like by looking into the name I should be able to identify like it's a map. I say map names, some name, and I'm going to mark it as get and set because I want to use that on my UI screen. This is initializing. Some spelling mistakes, okay. And now I'm going to create an object of my map, and I say map names, then same variable name which I use here is equal to new map of string comma string, because I want my key to be a string and my value also to be a string. Now let me put the values. So to insert the values into my map, I'm going to say map names dot put. The put is an inbuilt method which will help you to insert the values into the map. So the first parameter is the key. In the key, I'm going to say USA. The key value is USA, which is going to print United States of America. And the other value I'm going to put is IN, and it's going to print a value called India. The another value I'm going to put, you can put as many values as you want, until unless it doesn't break with view state exception. Okay, so the third value, what's the third value? Let me say London, LON. Wow. So in my map, I'm having three values in my map. The first parameter is the key, and the second parameter is the value. So let's see how to print this particular map values on my Visualforce page. So this is my page. I'm going to say Apex page block. And here, first let me directly print my map. First what I'm going to do is, as my map has a get and set value, I'm directly printing it. You see, all the values which are there on my map, I'm able to print them. So now you are seeing all the values. Let's see, how do I get a particular value? How do I pull a particular value from that map? It's not like that you have to use maps only on the Visualforce pages. You can use them on the controllers, depends upon your logic. I'm just using break, so it's going to be clear. In my next print, I want to print the United States value. So what is the key of the United States? It's USA. So to read that particular value, what I'm going to do is use the map dot, no, directly I'm going to say USA. It's a string. Okay, it's a string. Save it. Hooray! I got United States of America because I used the keyword called USA. Let's use the key for London. I use the key called London. So whenever you pass certain key, the key value the map is going to print. Let me say, see, you got London. Let me print India. I say IN. It's going to print India. See? So the map is holding a bunch of values, and if you want to read those values, you're going to use this particular key to get that value and put it on the Visualforce page. It's not like in my example I've used Visualforce page, but you can also use the same map in the controller as well. Let me show you that example as well. So now I've removed here. I'm going to create a string variable to get country value, and I mark it as get set. You might be wondering, why did I take this? I want to show you how to use them in the controller now. I say s country value is equal to map names dot get, and here in the get you need to pass on the key. My key is USA. So now the map is going to get the value of this particular USA, which is United States of America, and stores that on this particular variable. Let me print this on the VF. Very simple. See, I got United States of America. Very simple. The map is very simple. The thing is, we need to understand the syntax and what values to be inserted in it. That's it. All right. I hope you enjoy this particular program. And in case if you have any questions, you can you can provide in the comments. So I'll reply to you. Hope you enjoy this video. And I have regarding the maps, but I put a separate video on that. You can go through that video. Thank you for watching it. Thanks for watching.